Hi everybody, I'm Mike. Welcome back to the shop. So today we're having a unboxing or unbagging another Banggood product. Now, as a full disclaimer, this product was given to me from Banggood free of charge in order for me to review it. And this should be a pretty simple, quick review since there's no moving parts. Well, with that, without giving away too much more, let's do an unboxing. We'll see just what it is. And there you have it. I am referring to this as the must-have tool for all wood turners. If you don't already know what it is, it's a center finder. Want to find the center of any shape? You just put this right on the edge, draw your line, there you go. You should be able to find the center with no problem. Whether it's round, square, of course. There you go. This is a pretty decent size. And then, of course, for pen blanks, you know, it works for those as well. A little smaller, a little more cumbersome to hold, but there you have it. Not too much more to state about it. It's aircraft aluminum. You can see it's red anodized. And very good feel, very heavy duty. Now obviously this could be used for multiple purposes. However, its main purpose is center finding on whatever it is you're trying to center find. Obviously within reason, this is not huge. One leg appears to be longer than the other. So you have an inside area of looks like about 2 7/8 on one end, and then the other is 2 1/8. It's a little bit off of that, but pretty close. 2 1/8 and then 2 7/8. So you can fit a pretty decent sized piece of material in here. Good for wood turners, like I said. This is a 4-inch block, and it does enough that I can hit the center of the block. That's really all that matters. It doesn't have to be so long it goes all the way across. Normally when you find these, they're those cheap plastic ones or whatever. This way you can do it in style. Now in the description below, I'm going to have a link, and it will be an affiliate link. So once again, like I said, they sent this to me free of charge. However, I'm still giving my most honest opinion, and this one I figured would be a no-brainer. There's no way I could say anything negative about it. As long as it's square, does what it says it's going to do, obviously it does. So thank you for watching, and until next time, you take care.